Hey, Dr. Keelan, it's me, Ayat. So I wanted to go over quickly how do we actually upload a quiz. So we're going to go into Moodle right now. So we know this, we know our class, you know how to get there. And we're going to go edit settings. Well, let's go to course management so we can talk about, I'm sorry. We're gonna go to the question bank, and that's what we've been having issues a little bit about. So you go to the question bank, and that's where with this, let's go back and show it again to you. So the course management, we click on that, and then we click on question bank, right? So question bank, because we have to have our questions in before that. So we're gonna click on import, right? And then we're gonna click on Moodle XML format. And then we're going to click on import right here. And this is where you're having the most issues of all of it, I think, from my understanding. So I'm going to click on import, choose a file. Okay, not import, choose a file, I'm sorry. So upload a file, choose a file. And this is where you ever saved it at. I have to find mine, right, test gen, and these are all my tests right here. To know if you have the correct format, it actually has to be in white. Okay, so that's my main thing, and I think I already taught you how to do this, how to save it as that format, and that's simple. When you export it from test gen, this is how you do it, and you said you already have these ready. So I'm just gonna do right here, assignment 1, open, right? I'm gonna click on upload this file right here. Okay, import. And then these are the questions that we have. Continue. And select a category. And this is where we can put it in untitled. We can, so we can filter it by a certain tag, but this is where you can put it in and where the spot is at. And this is where it gets tricky because we're going to put it in here, right? That category. And so if you have 2 classes, you can put it in what class you want. So you can put it in this class or what, I think that's where your issue might be of the location of it. So we're going to put it in this, right? And this is where, so subcategories or whatever. So we're going to click on this one, the top one, to do the questions. And this is where it gets tricky of you should know the name of the questions. And this is where so we said move to, and it's going to be there. Let me do this real quick. I think it's in there already, or it's duplicating questions. So these are already in there and it moved in there. So it's now moved, okay? So we know the questions are in there right now. So let's go back to create the quiz right now. So we're going to go back to course management, which is our class. Well, not course management, actually. We have to go back to the class itself. And we're in there right now. So let's go to this right here, okay? So we have our different topics, we have our different questions. So I'm going to just go to my topic 5. You know what, I'm just going to do this. I'm going to edit. You have to click on edit, of course, and forgot to do that. But I'm just going to cancel this quiz right now and put another one so I can show it to you what I did. So I'm going to click on edit right now, or edit. And I don't want to delete topic. I want to delete the quiz, actually. Okay. Oh, this is already in there. Well, let's do this. Let's do a new quiz. So this is topic 6. We're going to add an activity or resource. All right. We're going to click on quiz right now. Okay. And then click on add. Yeah, just 1 second, mommy. Add, okay. And then we have the quiz. You can name it. I'm going to just put trial because I'm going to do this real quick. This. Trial. No descriptions, timing, I think that's what she said. Enable the date, enable when to close it. This is just, you know, these are all up to you, and I'm going to close this tomorrow. Time limit, if you want to enable it, not enable it, up to you, 60 minutes. The grade, uncategorized, we don't have that, grade at pass, unlimited times. This is all, again, up to you. Highest grade method, so save and return to course. So we save those quiz right now. So we have a quiz, it's called trial. I think I even spelled trial, but whatever, I opened it right now. And we're gonna click on edit quiz real quick, and I think that's where your issues have been right now. So maximum grade, 100. Again, these are just things up to you. It doesn't have to be what Dr. Singleton, she just does that. So whatever way you want to do it, shuffle. And this is what we are having main issues is adding questions from the question bank, right? So if you did what I just did, you'll find all your questions in here. And I think that's the trick to it of having all of these questions in there. So this is in the bank. You could just scroll down and find them. Again, if you go down, I have one untitled right here from the question bank. And this is these are the quizzes that I already had from them. So I added default to this one, but these were already from the question bank. So default for trial. And then there's nothing in here because this didn't have any questions. So it should be in where you put it, which was in the classroom that you chose. Okay, so I'm going to randomly put like 3 questions right here, and then add these to the selected quiz. And then there you go, voila. So these are in there, and I just click on save. And it should be in there now. So let's go back to topic 6. Let's go to the beginning and see if they're in there. Topic 6, which is my trial one right here. And preview, it has 3 attempts allowed, whatever I did, and then start attempt. And you can see I have my questions in there. So that's it. I hope you get it this time. Reach out. So I think I know where our issue was with where you're going to put the questions at. Take care and reach out. Bye.